What makes a team truly thrive? It's not just talent, it's structure, clear systems that shape how people work together. Start by building your department teams. Group people based on their core functions: sales, marketing, finance, operations. Each group gets a dedicated team lead who drives communication and accountability. Picture these as color-coded squads working side by side toward a shared vision, united but specialized. Next, layer in project teams. Here, the goal shifts. Assemble experts drawn from different departments to tackle a specific challenge or launch. Project teams are purpose-driven, temporary, and cross-functional. Imagine your team as animated puzzle pieces snapping together. Each brings a unique skill until the project's complete, then returns to their home department. On top of this structure sits leadership alignment. Appoint a leadership circle with heads from each department and project working together. Their job? To set priorities, share updates, and keep teams in sync. Picture a dynamic roundtable where everyone has a voice, debates decisions, and guides the organization with confidence. Empower every team with clear goals, defined roles, and open channels of communication. Use regular check-ins and feedback. And don't forget to celebrate wins, big or small. Just like animated characters high-fiving after solving a puzzle, create a culture where collaboration feels rewarding. By following these steps, you go from the chaos of unclear teams to a vibrant ecosystem, departments running smoothly, projects tackled with precision, leaders guiding the way. Structure isn't rigid. It's the backbone of confidence and collaboration. With the right system in place, your teams will do more than work. They'll win together.